Kitchen Fit Shop. Today we're making special veggie muffins. The recipe is down below. Mix up your wet ingredients first. Mushing bananas is kind of messy. Time for the eggs. Oopsie, dropped the bowl in. I tried my best to not spill the milk. It's okay, just a bit messy. Mix up your dry ingredients. Put it all together. Baking is all about getting dirty. Ew! My mommy helped me grate all the vegetables. My daddy squeezed out all the juice. My mommy needed to help me a few times. Use your favorite cupcake line. Now I'm making a special crumble. The muffins are not very sweet, so this makes it sweet. Sprinkle it all on top. You can add extra icing if you want to, but you don't have to. So delicious, I couldn't even taste the vegetables. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the sweetie family. Tablet.